In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics account and get your tracking ID to integrate it with your Hostinger website builder. This process will help you better understand your website's performance and gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about Google Analytics. It's an amazing tool for tracking and analyzing your website traffic. By setting it up, you can gather data on how users interact with your site. So, let's start by creating your Google Analytics account. Begin by heading over to the Google Analytics website. You'll need a Google account, so if you don't have one already, take a moment to create it. Once you're logged in, you'll see instructions to set up a property. A property represents your website, and this is where data from your site will be collected. You'll need to fill in some basic details, like your website name, URL, and industry category. Don't forget to adjust the time zone setting to ensure your reports are accurate to your local time. Once that's done, Google Analytics will generate a unique tracking ID for your property. This tracking ID is crucial as it links your website to Google Analytics, enabling data collection. Keep your tracking ID handy because you'll need it in just a few moments. Now let's switch gears to the Hostinger website builder. Log into your Hostinger account and access the website builder section. Once you're in, navigate to your site settings. Here, look for the Analytics section. This is where you'll enter that Google Analytics tracking ID I mentioned earlier. By entering this ID, you're effectively telling your website where to send the data it collects, allowing you to monitor site usage and performance through Google Analytics. After you've entered the tracking ID, it's crucial to save your changes. Always ensure that any updates you make are saved properly to avoid losing any configurations. Saving will ensure your website is correctly linked to your Google Analytics account. Lastly, it's time to publish your changes. Publish your site to make sure everything is live and functioning with the new analytics system in place. Once published, data will start flowing to your Google Analytics account. However, keep in mind that it might take a few hours or even a day for data to appear initially. So don't worry if you don't see immediate results. There you have it. Your website is now set up with Google Analytics. By following these steps, you're enabling a powerful stream of insights that can help optimize your site and enhance your understanding of user interactions. Remember, regular analysis of your Google Analytics data can guide your content and marketing strategies, contributing to your website's overall success. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and happy analyzing.